Welcome to Double Roads in beautiful downtown Jupiter, Florida. We want to welcome everybody here tonight for our America First Music Festival meet and greet.
America First.
Honey, Carlos, you are amazing. This event has been unbelievable. It's only just getting started, and I can already feel the heart here. And that heart comes from the leader, and the leader is you. And you've done a beautiful job, and I am so proud of you.
I want to make sure that these people here know that, you know, Republicans are conservatives, but we have great values, and this is a love movement. I mean, this is really what it's about.
America First.
It is because of them that we are all here. It's because of them that 3,000 boats are going to be taking these waterways.
It don't get more patriotic than standing up for the country when it's falling into the ground. That's what makes me an American. It don't get more patriotic than standing up for the country when it's falling into the ground. That's what makes me an American.
Together, we will make America proud again. We will make America safe again. And yes, together, we will make America great again.
I'm seeing red, taking back what they took. There's no compromise and there's no backing down till the nation's got no hope left. I'm seeing red.
We're here today on this special day to bring the energy and electricity to this country in Jupiter, Florida.
Where's Jesus?
It takes a whole lot of love and commitment and unity for all this to happen. So that's why I'm here today, because I believe in it, and I believe we're gonna make America great again. Yes.
Carlos and Laura are two of the most amazing people, and I am so inspired by their courage, their bravery, and their iron will to never back down.
Thank you, Carlos and Laura, for such a wonderful event. And God bless him and his family.
It has been an absolute joy and blessing to be here. Carlos and Laura, oh my goodness, are you doing God's work?
He knows what he's doing and he feels it so deeply. It's always an honor to work with him.
He is an amazing spokesperson for our country. And he doesn't do it to get accolades. He just does it because he really, really loves his country.
Thank you, Carlos. Thank you, Laura, for bringing us together. Amazing, the best of times, and we're glad to be back in the saddle again. And we look forward to doing this for another 4 years while Donald Trump is president.
Carlos is strong, and President Trump is strong. I know what a strong man is. I see it in my husband, and I see it in Donald Trump.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome President-elect Donald J. Trump, accompanied by Vice President-elect J.D. Vance.
Frankly, this was, I believe, the greatest political movement of all time. There's never been anything like this in this country, and maybe beyond. So I want to thank the American people for the extraordinary honor of being elected your 47th president and your 45th president. Look what happened. Is this crazy? magnificent victory for the American people that will allow us to make America great again. Oh,